Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid and you're watching my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to study JavaScript arithmetic operators. So let's start. So what are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators perform arithmetic on numbers, literals and variables, right? These are our arithmetic operators there, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponentiation. This was added in 2016. Division, remainder division, like modulus, increment and decrement. So these are our arithmetic operators and they perform arithmetics on numbers, literals or variables. Okay, let's continue. So arithmetic operations, in a typical arithmetic operation operates on two numbers, right? So we have two numbers, for example, and we are adding them, right? So this addition symbol here is arithmetic operator. And what does it do? It performs arithmetic operations and it adds them and assigns the result to this variable x. Here you can see in this example here we have this variable, let x is equal to 100 plus 50. This is added up and assigned to this tag p, and result is 150, which you can see on the right side. Okay, so this is how arithmetic works. Or we can have this addition applied on the variables. Let's say we have a plus b, they can have any values and their addition is assigned to this variable x. Let's see, here we have in this code that a is equal to 100, b is equal to 150. These are two variables, we are adding them, a plus b, and result is assigned to x, which is displayed in the inner HTML of this p tag, right? And end result is same, 150. Before we perform this operation on directly on the number, this time we assign these numbers to variables, and then those variables are being added up here. Okay, and also in we can have arithmetic operations in the expressions. Here we have an expression where we are adding and then multiplying with a, where a is a variable. See here, a is a variable, and let x is equal to 100 plus 50 multiplied by a. So 150 multiplied by 3 will be 450, as we can see on the result on the right side. Okay, next we see operators and operands. What are operators and what are operands? See here, these plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, all these are called operators. And operands are the numbers or variables on which this operation is performed, arithmetic operation is performed, like these 50 and 100. These are called operands. Okay, right. Okay, so we have here now addition. As we have seen, we are adding two numbers, x and y, in the variable, and we can have this operator x, and operands are these x and y variables. Similarly, we have subtraction. Subtract will subtract these two numbers and answer will be 3. You know what, right? Similarly, we have multiplication, where we multiply two numbers, divide, where we divide two numbers, and remainder, where return the division remainder, right? As you know, when we divide two numbers, one thing we have is a quotient and a remainder, and this operation will give us the remainder. Incrementing, you know, incrementing x plus plus is equal to actually x plus 1. Let's see here. Here we have, you know, this variable that x is equal to 5, and when we do what, x plus plus, so x plus plus is actually equal to x is equal to x plus 1, it will become 6, and then we assign this to z and display it here, and then the result is 6. Okay. Decrementing is to decrement the variable value by 1, reduce 1. Here we have 5. When we decrement, it becomes 4, as you can see the answer there. So here is our variable 5, then after that we are doing decrement, and let z is equal to x, so it reduces the value from 5 to 4. Next we have exponentiation. The exponentiation operator raises the first operand to the power of the second operand. So here let's look at the example. We are doing x star star 2, it means 5 power 2. It will be 5 multiplied by 5, it will be 25 answer. Okay. And this operator star star produces the same result as we have math dot POW or power x and y. They will also, this method or procedure will give us the same result. Okay. Right, so here we are doing the same thing with the math.po, and as you can see the answer is 25. Okay, next we are going to study interesting thing, which is operator precedence. Operator precedence describe the order in which operations are performed in an arithmetic operation. See here, let x is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 3. So just tell me and think about it, what will happen, which operation will be done first, multiplication or summation, because we can have two things, either 150 is multiplied by 3 first and then added into 100, or 100 is added into 50 and then multiplied by 3, right? So there are two possibilities. So as you remember, if you remember from your school days, in the mathematics you studied, there is precedence level. Multiplication and division is done before addition and subtraction, right? So this is the same rule. These are the rules which also apply here when we are performing these arithmetic operations in JavaScript. Okay, so here we and we have parentheses. You know, the parentheses, they have the higher precedence. The operators or operation in the precedent parentheses will be performed before any other operation is done. Okay, right. And one more thing we need to remember, when many operations have the same precedence, like addition and subtraction, they are computed from left to right. Don't forget this point. This is a very, very critical point. Like here we have 100 plus 50 minus 3, they are the same precedence. So what we will do, we have to perform operations from left to right. First we will do 100 plus 50 and then we will subtract 3. Although even if we do this right operation first, result is same, but the correct method is that we do from the left to right. Next we have a lengthy table here which shows the JavaScript operator, all operator precedence values, you know, and these paired entries in the table are actually 2015 or higher. Okay, so as you know, this we have a very lengthy table and it shows all the operators we have in JavaScript and their precedence. And see here the value, it indicates the precedence level. Higher the number, the operation will be performed first before the you see operator with the lower value number. So as I have just explained something, any expression grouping done with the help of parentheses will be performed first, so it has highest precedence value. Similarly, we have like this member dot operators, these members, function call, new operator which creates a new object, increment, decrement, right? Prefix increment, prefix decrement, these are different things. And as we are going down, the precedence is increasing. Here you see the common one we just described above, plus, minus, and modulo, division, remainder, modulus, they have the same precedence level. See, we just said that plus, multiplication, division, they have the same level. Multiplication and division, and addition, subtraction for 14, their level is 14. It means they will be performed after multiplication and this division, and their value is 14. Similarly, we have shift left, shift right. As we are moving down, these operations have less precedence level. Okay, right? So I would recommend you can perform some operation on these, you can do practice on these operations and their operators and their precedence level. So as we say, expression in parentheses are very important. They are fully computed before the value is used in the rest of the expression. So okay, I will wind up my video here. In this video we have studied arithmetic operators in JavaScript, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, decrement, exponentiation, and then we have seen the precedence level. This is quite important while you are writing like arithmetic or mathematical operations or expressions in JavaScript. So you need to know the precedence level. Right, okay, so here I will wind up this video. I'll be back with the next video very soon. Till that time, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.